Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to use OBS Virtual Cam on OmeTV. Sometimes you may want to use OBS Virtual Cam on OmeTV so that you can stream your OBS scenes directly to the website instead of using your real webcam. This allows you to share custom videos, overlays, or presentations while chatting. Here's how to set it up on your computer. First, go to the OmeTV website and make sure you are logged in. Then open a new tab in your browser and search for OBS Download. Now click on the first link that appears. Here, you will see 3 different options for downloading Windows, Apple, or Linux. Click on the option that matches your computer and download it. Now go back to the OmeTV page. Then, in the toolbar search bar, search for Device Manager and click on it. Now click on Cameras and select Integrated Webcam. Then click on the Disable icon from the top. Now click on Yes when it asks, disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. This disables your real webcam, so that OBS Virtual Cam can work without conflicts. As you can see, it is now disabled. Now go back to OmeTV and check that your webcam is no longer active. Then open OBS Studio from the toolbar. Now check the Sources section in OBS. Click on the plus icon from the bottom left side of the Sources panel. Here, click on Display Capture. You can enter a name for the new source to create it. Then click on OK. Now move the Display Capture box to position it as you like, and you will see your screen inside OBS. Then select the display as your primary monitor, and click on OK. Now go back to your desktop and open the OBS Cam folder. Here you will see files like OBS Cam 1 and OBS Cam 2. Now open the OmeTV page again. Then refresh the page so that OmeTV detects OBS Virtual Cam as a camera option. After that, you can select OBS Virtual Cam in OmeTV's camera settings and start streaming your OBS scenes directly to the website. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.